What's up, everybody? Guess what? This week we're coming to you from where? From Chisholm. So we're in the garrison today. We're just gonna talk with all of vibe. You know, my name is Credit, don't it? You're watching Pretty's. Keep it locked, cause the next half an hour entertainment lifestyle right here. Keep it locked. Pretty's. All right, everybody, you don't know, in Chisholm today. And guess what? We kick off the show with highlights from a big bad party, Drinkers Paradise down in Prairie. Kevin, Jeremy, and the whole team there. I know Mira said did it and take it. Watch a clip, you find out. Pretty's.
Take your time with the body, darling, not on a 6:30 because you're not man. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. All your body good and me want to touch you. All your body good and that's why me love you. Sit down for this, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down for this, sit down for the jockey.
Let me just cross the people down to the party, not show the people that got two left foot. All know the two left foot and that's not good.
It's the holidays. Just let me say it in it. Then I'll come to it. Want to see that? Yeah. Get to the yard. Get to the yard. Ready, ready, ready.
This is the first launch. It's a new event for Top Ranking. It's a new event for Where the Goal. It's the launch. As you can see, it's a very good turnout. We wanted to expand our brand as an entertainer, so we went for Drinkers Paradise, and as you can see so far, it's a huge success. In the outlets, all the pre-sold tickets were sold out. So once that happened, we had to reload the outlets with more tickets. So we knew right away it would have been a good turnout.
Talk to us about Idonia's inclusion on the lineup. Why Idonia?
Well, Idonia right now, you know, he's for the ladies. He has some major hits right now, and we wanted to include him in this event because it's a female event, because we have ladies 2-for-1 all night. So of course we wanted to include Idonia, who would give the girls a good show.
Ladies, the suicide don't fool the party now. The suicide don't fool the party. But right now, bad people down here. Listen, we're big bad things you know more than those have a body.
It's going to be a quarterly event, so you can all look forward to the next stage in October, where we're going to do this all over again. Top Ranking Entertainment, we have to big up our sponsors because, you know, they saw the vision in us as young promoters. They saw what we wanted to do, and we wanted to bring a new life to Center, because we don't want the people them to think, big up Kingston, okay, I don't know, but we didn't want the people them to think that only Kingston have the high parties, only Kingston you can go to enjoy yourself. We want the people to know that they can come to St. Ann and also enjoy St. Ann, because St. Ann does have great parties, and that's what Top Ranking Entertainment is bringing to St. Ann right now.
Hear me, I say. We respect everybody, you know. Yeah. We respect Alliance. We respect Bully. We respect Gaza. But if it goes so far, we respect myself. And the boy can't give me no shot. The boy can't tell me if you look at me a bad man. Tell them, say bad people, we don't get shot from no boy. We don't get shot from no boy. We don't get no pick up on the box from no boy.
Alright, so I'm the coordinator for the event, right? We decided that we were going to do something different for the people. They've been asking for it, you know, asking for a party that's more upscale, right? Where the Gold came on as our title sponsor. As you know, Where the Gold is a premium room, so we're offering a premium event to the people. Who wasn't here will be sorry that they missed it. People will be talking for a while about Drinkers Paradise. The decor is off the chain. The food, you've tasted it, so you know what I'm talking about. The shrimp, the garlic shrimp, people loving the garlic shrimp, the peppered shrimp, the fruit kebabs. We have our dessert station. We have everything going on. We have our Calico Jack slush machine running. We have everything. We have our Where the Gold mixes. We have our Wakefield mixes. So Top Ranking Entertainment is constantly reinventing reinventing themselves. They're constantly, they have add innovation to their type of thinking, what they're doing with events. You know, so people look forward to it. People come out all the time. They hear that Top Ranking is keeping something, they're there. Even our football competition that we have going on, the Corner League, you'd be surprised how many persons turn out just for that, and it's just a football competition in the community. So there are people who they're not just doing big events like these. They also do events in the community, barbecues and stuff like that. As you know, we're responsible for Rum Bar Bubbles, right? So this August we'll be doing the scholarship edition, right? 25th of August we'll be giving away 5 scholarships to 5 of our lucky patrons. So people are absolutely looking forward to that. So these are the type of things that Top Ranking does that set them apart in the entertainment industry.
All right, there you have it. Prairie, Ochi, turn up. Anytime Predis in the building, you know you're going to get everything. But right now, we have another jerk off. It's brought to you by Pure Ketchup and Tree Jewel right over there in Sampars. We were there, of course, so we have to bring you the highlights. Check out this one right now. Jerk off, chicken, food. Check it out.
Me and my brethren, them a sit down on the corner. Light up the fire and a wild green banana. Later we have to go igloo out a hell shop. Make a little stop by me girlfriend Lana. Long time no sing her, a long time me wanna. Players of the music na the side of the be my No. I feel like jamming to the reggae beat. Bubble up your body, just a move your feet. I feel like jamming to the sweet vibration. Boy, sweet Jamaica. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand. Raise it to the sky and let me see your hand. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand.
What do you think about the chicken today?
It is amazing, delicious, well seasoned, juicy to the bone. The sauce is excellent. It obviously came from a very good base, very tasty, not too hot.
The sauce and the way you jerk it's moist. Yeah.
Okay, the rice pudding is very impressive. The spices, different spices, taste really nice. And the chicken, different sauce. Impressive, tastes good.
Today we're here at Sampars Cash and Carry on Washington Boulevard, right behind the Shell gas station. What we're doing, we're actually having a pan chicken jerk fest. That is a pure tomato ketchup pan chicken jerk fest. And we're also having the 3 drill rice cook-off. What happens is, well, as I said before, it's a family fun day. We invite all the persons from around the neighborhood to come in, get their products from Sampars on special. Not only that, taste the jerk chicken and the special sauce that the contestants will be making with the pure tomato ketchup and vote for their winners. One of the other things too is that with the 3 drill rice competition, we are asking persons to make an appetizer, and also after they've made the appetizer, we're also asking them to make a main course, a 1-pot meal with the rice. And I must tell you, the appetizers were excellent.
We have a very great relationship with our partner, World Branch. And so we have decided that we will collaborate on a cook-off and a jerk fest, promoting their products. And we are their customers. And so we have a very good relationship. And so we collaborated on this event so that we can have a mutually beneficial relationship going on here.
Is it the first time you're having this?
Yes, it's the first time. And so we are learning, and we want to make it an annual event. So we want it to be bigger and better next year as we learn and as we improve on the processes.
Well, basically boiled my rice in coconut milk, white vanilla, cinnamon stick, nutmeg, spice up, let it boil. Then I add my raisins at the last minute, shaped it with the ramekin, then decorate it with the mixed fruit salsa, then presented it.
Well, this was my idea to do rice porridge. In terms of ingredients, what I put in there, I just boil the rice with vanilla, nutmeg, and sweeten it with milk and a little sugar.
At this moment, knowing that I never knew I could do it, because cooking rice, not knowing what I was going to cook with it, was good.
How challenging was it for you today?
Only problem I had was the breeze with the flame, but other than that it was okay.
Me and my brethren, them a sit down on the corner. Light up the fire and a boil green banana. Later we have to go in glue out a Elsa.
Why I enter this competition today? It's all about competing and know that you're the best and you can do good and you can show people that whatsoever you are giving them is very qualitable chicken and sauce, because it was mainly the sauce that we're working on. All about the pure tomato ketchup sauce. But we add our ingredients to it, like our special spices and all other things, and put it together and make it become the #1 sauce.
Now, big up to all the residents at Chisholm. I want to say, yo, this one can't come in at Chisholm, come shoot this week. But I'm sure you guys enjoying the show so far. Just keep it locked, because when we get back, we have a lot more. First break is brought to you by Worthy Goal. Check it out.